For the modern customer, first impressions mean everything. And your front desk is the gateway to your business. And to make sure every interaction counts and leaves a lasting impression every time, you need Unity Reception Web, a single unified interface that combines call control buttons for effective call management, real-time statistics for complete oversight, an active call window where all current contact is displayed, and a contacts panel for full visibility of team members' ACD status alongside their Microsoft Teams presence. For a complete picture of their availability on both the BroadSoft and Microsoft Teams platforms. And being a browser-based solution, users are empowered to access anywhere, at any time, where they can harness an extensive feature set designed for ease of use and built to scale with businesses of any size. With Unity Reception Web, take advantage of a leading reception software solution and redefine the front desk today.